everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find molecular mass of a given compound. So let us see the explanation. Molecular mass is what? Molecular mass. The definition of molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms of a given compound is called molecular mass. Molecular mass of that compound. Sum of atomic masses. And what is the unit? Unit of molecular mass is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. It is represented as U. This is the unit of molecular mass. Now, for finding molecular mass, we must have to remember the atomic mass of the elements. So now let us see how it is found. For example, we have to find the molecular mass of water. How we will calculate the molecular mass of water? First we will see water is formed with which elements? It is formed by hydrogen and oxygen. So atomic mass of hydrogen is what? It is 1. And atomic mass of oxygen, we know from the periodic table atomic number and atomic mass. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. And number of hydrogen atom in water is 2. Number of hydrogen atom in water molecule is 2. And number of oxygen atom is 1. So molecular mass of H2O will be H means 1 and number of hydrogen atom is 2. So we will multiply it by 2. And atomic mass of oxygen, it is 16. Or we will write here 1 element of oxygen, 1 atom of oxygen is there. So we will write 1 into 16. So this becomes 2 plus 16, or we will write 18 unit. This is the molecular mass of water. Similarly, we will find molecular mass of carbon dioxide, CO2. How we will find the molecular mass of CO2? First we will write atomic mass of carbon. This is 12. And atomic mass of oxygen. This is 16. So molecular mass of CO2. Equals to number of carbon atom in one molecule of CO2 is 1. So we will write 1 multiplied by 1. And number of oxygen atom in CO2 in one molecule of CO2 is 2. So we will write 16 multiplied by 2. So this becomes CO2. C is 12. So we will write 12 into 1. So this becomes 12 plus 32. So this becomes 44 unit. This is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Again, molecular mass of ammonia. NH3 is the formula of ammonia. What will be its molecular mass? So atomic mass of nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, and atomic mass of hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So molecular mass of NH3 equals to number of nitrogen atom is 1, so we will multiply 14 into 1 plus number of hydrogen in ammonia, number of hydrogen atom is 3, so we will write 1 into 3. This becomes 14 plus 3, that is 17 unit. So this is how we can calculate molecular mass of a given compound. For calculating molar mass, also molecular mass, we must have to remember the atomic mass number of the elements. So this is how we calculate it. Hope you have understood this topic.